The Manage Your Conferencing web portal allows for detailed account viewing and administration. First, hover your mouse over the Accounts drop-down menu and select the Account Info option. Here you will see on the top left your search options for filtering your accounts. Under these options is where your accounts will be listed and filtered depending on the parameters you enter above. You can search by the account number, billing name, admin or company name, billing and admin email addresses, as well as by the city, state, or zip code listed for your accounts. Once you have entered your desired search parameters, click Search to filter your accounts below. Typically you will only have one account, but you do have the option to have multiple accounts if your business needs call for separate billing accounts for your business units. To set up additional accounts, contact your support team to have them added. To view and or edit a specific account, click the Select button to the right of the specified account. Note that listed under the Stat column, a letter will designate the status of your accounts. A stands for an active account, C is for canceled accounts, and S designates a suspended account. If you do find an account that has been suspended, please contact your support team for assistance. Once you have selected the account you wish to edit, its details will then be listed on the right-hand side of your screen. Here you can view and edit these details. To do so, click the Edit button above the Account Information box. For any field you wish to update, simply highlight the information in that field and enter your new information. For instance, to change your billing email address, highlight that address and type in the corrected contact information. To save your changes, click the Update button above the Account Information box at the top of your screen. All changes will take effect immediately. A useful tool for setting up how you receive your invoices on a particular account is under the Billing Invoicing box. Here you can set how your invoices are sent out. You may choose to receive them via email, print, hard copy via mail, or both. Note that a hard copy by mail may incur a delivery fee. These can further be modified to be listed without conference details, sorted by billing code, or a combination of both details free and sorted by billing code. You can also add a description and or value to your invoices. To do so, fill out the description or value fields also listed under the billing invoice box. Again, once you have finished modifying your account details, click the Update button to save your changes. To view the users listed under your account, click the View Users button under the Actions box. All users and their codes will be listed on the left-hand side of your screen under the Search filter box above. To select a specific user, click the Select button next to the user you wish to view or edit. You can edit and update your user's information by clicking the Edit button at the top right of your screen above the User Information box. In addition to the contact and billing information, you are able to modify how your users' conference codes function. Under Room Information, you can turn phone usage reports on or off, and whether these reports display conference cost information to the recipient. If enabled, these reports are sent to the assigned contact emails each time a conference is completed using their user codes. You can also modify how your conference functions when your parties initially dial in. Under the Conference Start box, you have an option for Start Mode. Change this to Interactive to allow all parties dialing into the call to speak with one another, regardless of if a host has joined the conference. Music Awaiting Share will hold all participants to music until the host joins the call. Music to Presentation will hold all participants to music, and then once the host joins, will place them on mute, listen-only mode, leaving only the host lines open and able to speak. The Music to Manual control is for operator-assisted calls. If you need assistance in facilitating a call, please contact your conferencing support team. Next, under Activity Notifications, you can modify how and what messages are played into your conference. For entry and exit announcements, you can choose None, a default system message, or a personal message recorded by the attendee. The Chair Functions box allows you to change two options. First, End on Chair Hangup would make the user's call end and close out immediately upon the host or chair disconnecting their phone line. Be careful, however, when using this option, as a host who unintentionally hangs up their line would also disconnect all others from the conference and close out the call. The second option allows the host to be able to dial out to participants using keypad prompts and join them to the conference without having them dialing in using a code. Call customer support to enable that option. The billing code box is used for listing a specific billing code or subject matter for this user's code. Your options here are for none, or no additional billing information, on the fly, where the host is prompted to enter a 1 to 20-digit code that is assigned to the specific conference, and hard-coded, used to set this user's codes up under a specific and ongoing billing code. After making any changes to your user's information, be sure to click the Update button at the top of your screen to save your changes.